On TechVerse, we're revealing 20 brand new woodworking tools on Amazon that are quietly changing how serious projects get built. These aren't recycled ideas. Each tool brings smarter control, cleaner results, or faster workflow, and every product you see today is linked directly in the description. If you care about precision, efficiency, and tools that actually make a difference in the shop, don't blink. This list is built for real woodworkers. Woodpeckers SteadyCurve Magnetic Template Guide. Routing smooth, repeatable curves is usually one of the hardest things to control by hand. The Woodpeckers SteadyCurve Magnetic Template Guide is designed to solve that by locking your router template securely in place using powerful magnets. In real woodworking use, it allows you to guide the router smoothly along curved templates without slipping, even during long passes. This is especially useful for chair parts, decorative edges, and custom shapes where consistency matters. The system reduces chatter and improves control, which leads to cleaner edges. If you work with curved routing templates, this guide delivers precision you can actually feel while cutting. Microjig one-handed clamping system. Holding a workpiece steady while keeping one hand free is a constant challenge in woodworking. The Microjig one-handed clamping system is designed to solve that exact problem by allowing fast clamping and release with a single hand. In real workshop use, it's especially helpful during routing, drilling, and jig setups, where precise positioning matters. The clamp integrates easily with fixtures and workbenches, keeping parts secure without shifting mid-operation. This improves both safety and accuracy during detailed tasks. If you want faster setups and better control without juggling multiple clamps, this system delivers practical efficiency you'll use every day. Virutex Super Edge Banding Trimmer. Clean edge banding is one of the details that instantly separates professional work from amateur results. The Virutex Super Edge Banding Trimmer is designed to trim excess edge banding flush on both sides in a single, controlled pass. In real woodworking use, it's especially effective on cabinets, shelves, and plywood panels, where consistency matters across multiple edges. The guided cutting action helps prevent tear-out and uneven trimming that often happens with utility knives. It's fast, repeatable, and easy to control. If you want edge banding that looks factory finished without constant touch-ups, this trimmer delivers precision where it counts. Microjig ZeroPlay MatchFit Template Mounting System. Template routing only works when the template itself never shifts. And that's exactly what the Microjig ZeroPlay MatchFit system is built to ensure. In real woodworking use, this system locks templates firmly to the workpiece using dovetail-style grooves instead of screws or tape. That means no movement during routing and no damage to your material. It's especially useful for repeat cuts, inlays, and pattern work, where accuracy must stay consistent from part to part. Setup is fast, and adjustments stay solid throughout the cut. If you rely on templates for precision routing, this system delivers rock-solid control without compromise. Triton TPT125 Benchtop Thickness Planer. Getting boards to a consistent thickness is what turns rough lumber into usable stock, and the Triton TPT125 is built for that exact job. In real woodworking use, this benchtop thickness planer allows you to surface boards evenly, remove mill marks, and bring multiple pieces to the same thickness for tight glue-ups. Its compact size makes it practical for small shops without sacrificing capability. Clean, repeatable passes reduce sanding time later and improve overall fit. If you want flat, consistent boards without relying on pre-milled lumber, this planer adds serious control to your workflow. POWERTEC Universal Inlay Template Kit. Inlay work looks intimidating until you have a system that keeps everything aligned. The POWERTEC Universal Inlay Template Kit is designed to guide your router accurately when cutting matching recesses and inlay pieces. In real woodworking projects like decorative boxes, tabletops, or custom accents, it helps ensure the inlay fits cleanly without gaps. The templates provide consistent spacing and repeatable results, which reduces trial and error. Setup is straightforward, making it approachable even if you're new to inlay work. If you want to add detailed inlays with confidence instead of guesswork, this kit delivers controlled, predictable precision. Wolfcraft Masterwork 1600 Multifunction Workbench. A stable work surface can completely change how confidently you work, and the Wolfcraft Masterwork 1600 is built to be more than just a table. In real woodworking use, this multifunction workbench acts as a clamping station, assembly table, and mobile work surface all in one. It provides multiple clamping options that keep workpieces secure during cutting, routing, or sanding. The folding design makes it practical for small shops or job site use without sacrificing stability. If you need a flexible, reliable workbench that adapts to different tasks instead of limiting them, this one becomes the backbone of your workflow. Kata hole saw set, multi-size ed. Cutting clean, accurate holes across different sizes usually means juggling multiple tools, and that's where this set simplifies the job. The Kata multi-size hole saw set is designed to handle common woodworking needs like drilling holes for wiring, plumbing pass-throughs, and hardware installation. In real workshop use, it's especially useful when working with plywood, MDF, and softwood, where clean edges matter. Having multiple sizes in one kit keeps workflow smooth and reduces setup time. If you want consistent hole cutting without constantly switching systems, this set delivers practical versatility you'll reach for often. Wolfcraft Foldable Sawhorse. Supporting longboards safely is one of those basics that can make or break a project. The Wolfcraft Foldable Sawhorse is designed to provide a stable, height-consistent support for cutting, sanding, or assembling lumber. In real woodworking use, it's especially helpful when breaking down sheet goods or supporting long stock alongside a workbench. The foldable design makes it easy to store when space is limited, while still offering reliable strength when opened. Quick setup saves time on busy days. If you want dependable support without cluttering your shop, this sawhorse delivers practical stability exactly where you need it. Woodpeckers Precision Woodworking Calipers. When woodworking moves beyond rough sizing, precision measuring becomes essential. The Woodpeckers Precision Woodworking Calipers are designed to measure thicknesses, inside gaps, and outside dimensions accurately without flex or guesswork. In real shop use, they're commonly used for fitting joinery, checking stock thickness before planing, or matching parts that need to fit perfectly together. The smooth adjustment makes fine measurements easy to repeat across multiple pieces. This level of control helps prevent small errors that show up during assembly. If you want tighter fits and more consistent results, these calipers bring dependable accuracy to everyday woodworking tasks. Wolfcraft AccuGrip Ratchet Clamp. Quick clamping is often the difference between smooth assembly and constant readjustment. The Wolfcraft AccuGrip Ratchet Clamp is designed to apply steady pressure using a ratcheting mechanism that tightens incrementally and holds without slipping. In real woodworking use, it's especially useful for holding parts during glue-ups, edge banding, or light assembly, where speed matters more than extreme force. The ratchet action allows controlled pressure without over-tightening, which helps protect delicate parts. Easy to position and release, it fits naturally into everyday workflows. If you want fast, reliable clamping without fuss, this clamp delivers practical control you'll use constantly. ToughBuilt Heavy-Duty Utility Knife. Every woodworking project reaches a point where clean trimming matters more than power. The ToughBuilt Heavy-Duty Utility Knife is designed for controlled cutting of edge banding, veneer, cardboard, insulation, and layout materials. In real workshop use, it's often the go-to tool for final adjustments where saws are too aggressive. The solid construction keeps the blade stable, which improves accuracy and safety during detailed cuts. Quick blade changes reduce downtime when switching tasks. If you want a dependable knife that handles precision trimming without flex or frustration, this tool delivers reliable control you'll reach for daily. Neiko Digital Electronic Caliper. Accurate measurement is what keeps parts fitting together cleanly, and a digital electronic caliper makes that process fast and reliable. The Neiko digital caliper is designed to measure inside dimensions, outside thickness, and depth with consistent precision. In real woodworking use, it's commonly used to check stock thickness, measure dado widths, and verify hardware sizes before installation. The digital display removes guesswork and speeds up repeat measurements across multiple parts. Its stainless steel body adds durability for daily shop use. If you want dependable measurements without slowing your workflow, this caliper delivers accuracy you can trust every time. Suizan Japanese pull saw. Clean, controlled cuts are easier when the saw works with you, not against you. The Suizan Japanese pull saw is designed to cut on the pull stroke, which keeps the blade under tension and improves accuracy with less effort. In real woodworking use, it's excellent for fine joinery, flush cuts, and precise trimming where tear-out needs to be minimal. The thin blade removes less material, resulting in cleaner kerfs and better-fitting joints. It's especially helpful for detailed work, where control matters more than speed. If you want smoother cuts with better accuracy straight out of the box, this saw delivers precision you can feel. Trend Kitchen Worktop Jig. Cutting kitchen worktops accurately is one of the most unforgiving woodworking tasks, and this jig is designed specifically to remove that risk. The Trend Kitchen Worktop Jig guides your router to create precise straight cuts, clean joints, and accurate corner connections. In real woodworking and installation work, it's used for joining countertops, cutting sink openings, and ensuring tight seams that line up perfectly. The jig keeps the router stable and aligned throughout the cut, which reduces mistakes and rework. If you want professional-level accuracy when working with large panels and countertops, this jig delivers controlled, repeatable results you can rely on. Aboutool Adjustable Drill Guide Locator. Drilling perfectly straight holes by hand is harder than it looks, especially when accuracy matters. The Aboutool Adjustable Drill Guide Locator is designed to keep your drill bit square to the surface, even when working on angled or uneven pieces. In real woodworking use, it's especially helpful for dowel joinery, hardware installation, and repetitive drilling where consistency matters. The adjustable guide lets you control depth and angle, reducing wandering and tear out. It's quick to set up and easy to reposition between holes. If you want cleaner, more accurate drilling without investing in a drill press, this guide delivers reliable control. Toolin 8 in First Hacksaw. Cutting different materials usually means reaching for different saws, and that slows work down. The Toolin 8-in-1 hacksaw is designed to handle multiple cutting tasks with one adjustable frame. In real woodworking and workshop use, it's useful for cutting metal hardware, plastic pipes, threaded rods, and even light wood trimming when power tools aren't practical. The adjustable design allows different blade positions, which helps in tight or awkward spaces. It's a reliable grab-and-go tool for quick cuts during installation or repairs. If you want one-hand saw that adapts to multiple materials without cluttering your toolbox, this hacksaw delivers practical versatility. Woodpeckers Folding Transfer Square. Transferring angles accurately is one of those tasks where small errors quickly become visible in the final fit. The Woodpeckers Folding Transfer Square is designed to capture an angle and lock it in place so it can be transferred directly to your saw or layout line. In real woodworking use, it's especially helpful when fitting trim, working with odd angles, or matching existing pieces where measuring numbers isn't reliable. The folding design makes it compact to store while staying rigid when opened. If you want clean, accurate angle transfers without remeasuring or guessing, this tool delivers precision you can trust. Clark Brothers Wheel Marking Gauge. When precision joinery matters, pencil lines often aren't accurate enough. The Clark Brothers Wheel Marking Gauge is designed to score a fine, clean line directly into the wood, giving your saw or chisel a physical guide to follow. In real woodworking use, it's commonly used for laying out mortises, tenons, and shoulder lines where exact placement is critical. The wheel cutter produces consistent lines without tearing the grain, even across hardwood. Its adjustable fence allows repeatable offsets from an edge. If you want layout lines that actively improve cutting accuracy, this marking gauge delivers control you can rely on. Rockler Dust Right Collection Hose. Dust collection only works when airflow stays smooth, and the Rockler Dust Right Collection Hose is designed to keep that flow consistent. In real woodworking use, this hose connects tools to dust collectors or shop vacs, while remaining flexible enough to move around machines without kinking. The interior is designed to reduce resistance, which helps maintain suction during cutting, routing, and sanding. It's especially useful in small shops where tools are frequently repositioned. Easy to cut to length and adapt to different ports, this hose improves overall dust control without complex upgrades. If this video helped you discover new woodworking tools that actually improve accuracy and workflow, hit like so more makers can find it. Drop a comment and tell us which tool surprised you the most, or which one you'd add to your shop first. And for honest, no hype tool breakdowns that make woodworking smarter and more enjoyable, subscribe to TechVerse, because better tools lead to better builds.